Alright, so I have these layers here. I'm going to double click on the layer name and then I'm going to call this photo. I'm going to double left click, call this one sky, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my eyedropper tool and get some of this color, and then it'll pick up whatever color is in the sky of the photo area, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in a rectangle shape and drop that in, or my sky. Alright, I'm going to drop the opacity down up here so I can still see the boat underneath it. I'm going to lock that down, add another layer. This time I'm going to call it water. And then I'm going to go ahead and double click on the fill, left click and hold and drag up until I get a different color. I kind of want something a little bit more saturated. Left click, drag. Now I have the water and I'm going to drop the opacity down and then I can see through it. So that's how I added my water and sky.